Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for your Friday Love Bite. So let's see what's going on with you in your love department, Libra. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear now for their love life. Thank you. So Libra, let's begin our reading, and welcome back all my subscribers. Welcome in newbies. If you enjoyed the reading, do subscribe to us and join our Omkara family. We welcome you in. So the first card I have here, Libra, for you is the King of Swords, Seven of Cups, Three of Wands, Two of Wands, King of Wands in reverse, center of my spread with the Magician in reverse. Oh my God, what's going on? Okay, Three of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles in reverse, Four of Wands upright, and the Three of Cups in reverse. And the World in reverse as well, which means as a chapter, either somebody doesn't want to shut down, they want to do one more go around of this. Holding on, holding on. Okay, so there is somebody here who's not trying to see the truth about their own selves here, about maybe their own selfish behavior, or maybe they're unable to take action, or they're trying to do some trickery here while waiting. They know what they want, they're waiting, and they are. Let's see what's happening here. This is a very interesting spread that I have here, especially with the King of Wands and the Magician in reverse, with the King of Swords in reverse as well. And yet they know who they want and they're waiting still after this kind of behavior. I'm going to take some dialogue message cards, Libra, to start this reading, and then we'll begin. So let's see. My angels, if Libra and that person had to say something to each other, what would that be? Libra and their person. Thank you. Let's take a few from here. Libra and their person. Libra and their person, spirit. Thank you. And let's take a couple more from here and then we'll start. Libra and their person, spirit, if they wanted to say something. I think I'm getting it now. Somebody doesn't want to see the truth about their own selfish and trickery behavior and why they've been released. Okay, so let the first card here says, I know you think you broke me, but don't give yourself so much credit. I think this card came out for you last time as well. I'm not porcelain. I might have a few cracks, but I let the light in to allow it to shine back into the world. Don't worry about fixing me so much as you should worry about fixing yourself. Yes, somebody is not seeing their own bad behavior of being the King of Wands in reverse, being the King of Swords in reverse, and being the Magician in reverse. All right. So that maybe your partner's, this person's partner is saying that, fix yourself first. I get so frustrated when you're on your phone, when we are together. I get so frustrated when you're on the phone when we are together. I want to get up and walk out of the room because it's so disrespectful. I see our time together as sacred and, believe it or not, limited. If we are spending precious time together, our attention should be on each other. Maybe that was this person's way of tricking their partner into believing, hey, you're not that important to me, and even though we're together, I have so many other phone calls or so many other people to attend to. So this was their way of creating illusions. We are both awakened to this journey of unconditional love and have shared our deepest desires for the future we want to build together. When we have any challenges, we should communicate about our triggers in a healthy way and by having open and honest discussions. rather than avoiding them at all costs. Yes, somebody avoids here. Next card says, you're all I've ever truly wanted in my life. You're my everything. I think you both know it, but one person never expresses it, doesn't want to believe it. And they always create these illusions like, hey, I don't know what you're talking about. I don't expect you to be perfect. I love your perfect imperfections because they make my life as perfect as one can imagine. Maybe this person has self-worth issues, and to hide that, they hide behind all this bad behavior. I know that you're with someone else, but you could tell me the truth about how you feel, so I don't think I'm going fucking crazy. My friends keep telling me I made a big mistake in letting you go. I want to fix things between us. I just don't know how to make things right at this time. What I most need in my life, what I'm most in need of, you cannot give me. That's honesty, truth, and being open, right? So the partner saying, you can't give me what I need. I need somebody who's not selfish, who doesn't do all these trickeries around me, who doesn't hide their emotions, who doesn't always tell lies to me, always keeps these swords on their chest and their heart. I have unresolved feelings that I need to work through. Oh my God, yes they do, from what I see. And yet the world is in reverse, which means somebody still doesn't want to let go or close this chapter out. So Libra, let's see what's going on here. But before I start clarifying these cards, I want to take an angel blessing card for you and see how my angels can help in this situation with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Libra. Triumphant. Okay, yes, somebody does want victory in this situation. They don't want the situation to shut down completely. So let's see what's going to happen now. All right, and yes, you can. All you have to do is be honest, my angels say. All right, so King of Swords, Spirit, King of Swords in reverse. Yes, this person never speaks the truth. Libra, this could be you, this could be your cross watcher. And the Magician is back. They try and behave in a way that they maybe are not, right? They hold back, they tell untruth, they speak in a bad way, trying to mislead or misguide this relationship or their partner. They create confusion, basically. Seven of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Seven of Cups in reverse. This person has a lot of ego and pride. And in their ego and pride, even though they know that the cup that they want is already, they know which cup they want. They're not confused about this connection from any angle. They know that the cup that belongs to them is this one in this connection. The other options are not good enough. But ego and pride makes them misbehave, I feel, with bad behavior. So what's this Three of Wands, Spirit? Three of Wands. Three of Wands. Three of Wands is clarified by the Three of Wands. In the ego and pride, I think they just keep waiting. They keep waiting and waiting. They want victory. They definitely want victory, but they want to be chosen. They want that the one that they like should choose them instead of the other way around. Okay, that's what this person is trying to manifest and holding back from coming forward. They don't want to speak their truth. In fact, they speak lies most of the time. In their mind, the only way they can be on top is if the other person chooses them. And all they have to do, all they're doing right now is manifesting that, telling the universe, I'm sitting here and whatever I do or don't do, that person should come to me and choose me, because that makes me feel victorious then. Yes, they want to be triumphant. Okay. One more for the Three of Wands spirit. One more for the Three of Wands. What are they waiting for? Because they want to appear as the King of Wands in the upright. I'm the boss. So instead of taking action, all this person does, they're meant to take action at this point. They're meant to take action and go towards what they want. Instead, they are just doing nothing. They're doing nothing. They're praying, they're manifesting that somebody should come to me so that then I'll take action. So, Two of Swords spirit, Two of Swords. This is Two of Swords. Two of Swords. Yes, they don't want to make any decision. They have kind of put a blindfold on their eyes. They have these swords, against their chest, and they pretend to always. This is the kind of persona they want to show their partner. Whether it's the truth or not, I don't know. That hey, I'm not interested in love, and I'm warding off any kind of commitment or anything like that. I always want to be free, and I just want to be free. And this kind of behavior is actually showing them as a very selfish and self-centered person. And yet they are hoping to be chosen. King of Wands in reverse. King of Wands in reverse. King of Wands in reverse. Heart of Hearts, I think this person knows. They know what their choice is in love. They are also guided. I think they are also getting this guidance as to what decision they're supposed to make. With the High Priestess, their intuition is talking to them. The angels are doing their very best to kind of, guide them to do the right thing. But this person thinks it's too much of a burden. Oh my God, I'll have to put in work. Okay, I get it that, this is my person. I get it that this is the person I'm meant to be with. But do I really have to put in the work as well? Why can't I just kind of, be a magician and trick them into choosing me instead? All I have to do is wait around and feel like the winner here. Magician in reverse. Magician in reverse. Magician in reverse. Yes, this person always wants to be on top. They want to be the emperor, and they feel the easiest way for me to become an emperor is to knock an empress down. If I knock this empress down, I can then become the boss. Because they feel if they communicate first, they may or may not, they don't want to live in that regret that, oh my God, I tried and I failed. They have a fear of failure. So they're, even in communication or whatever, I think this person wants to trick this empress into feeling less than so that they can feel, or maybe that's the way they've always played this game. And no, that's not the way to do it. Four of Pentacles in reverse. 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 Wow. And the Four of Wands. Again. Oh my God. One more, Four of Wands. And the Three of Cups. Three of Cups. I don't like this person. This is a very imbalanced kind of a connection here, Libra. This person knows that they are being letting go of. They know that somebody doesn't want to work with them now. They know that somebody probably is keeping secrets from them, or not, talking to them, or is already releasing them. This is emotionally very overwhelming for this person who can't take loss. So now what they want to do is come back with a romantic offer and pretend to be all sweet and, hey, I do love you and let's do this, let's go out on a date or do something, and maybe promise them maybe stability or future happiness. But they are still in this energy. They're still in this energy with these swords against their chest. This person is coming back to again play the manipulator, the emotional. They're going to try and emotionally manipulate this person, which is going to create another fight. Maybe they're going to again trigger their person to fight for them, or create some competition around them. They want to trigger the other person where they don't have to make a choice. This person is an emotional manipulator. And even though this person is hoping for a rebirth of this connection on their terms, I don't think it's going to happen. I don't think it's going to happen, Libra, because whoever this person is still coming to fight and still do some sneaky shit here. Okay, these two cards together is a narcissist who's trying to create trouble, trying to always just create a fight for the sake of it, just to feel like, ha ha ha, I won. Maybe they're going to promise their partner the earth and then sneak away again and feel good about it. This is the kind of person who feels good that the other person is suffering. So this is a very twisted love, I would say, this person has. Maybe I don't think they even know what love is. I don't think this person even knows what love is. So why do they want to keep this chapter open, Spirit? This is like I love you and I will hate you so much to show it. They're basically unhappy in their own life. This is not a high vibrational person. This is extremely low vibration person who likes to trigger other people to hurt so that that is their balm to make them feel better. Oof. Stay away from this character, Libra. If this is you, I think there's some major help and healing that you need. And if you are dealing with somebody like this, beware of this person. They're going to leave you out in the cold once again, and they'll leave you back stressed out. They are stressed out right now because you are shining right now. You're shining, you're looking good, you're looking successful, and moving ahead in your own life, maybe for passionate new beginning for your life, and you walked away from them, bringing an end to this connection. So they're just coming to stir up trouble again. Okay, so just be a little mindful of this character, Libra. That's all I have for you. This is all right. So love and light. Take care. Namaste.